Hello, little learners. Today, we're going to explore the magical world of h and pen. Are you ready for some word fun? Let's dive right in. Now, and pen are special little words that we use when talking about things. They help us decide which words to use before a noun. Let's learn how to use them. First up, we have a. Can you say a? That's right. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound, like a dog or a cat. Can you think of any other words that start with a consonant sound? Great job, everyone! Now, let's move on to an. Now, an is used before words that start with a vowel sound, like an apple or an umbrella. Can you say an? Well done! Can you think of any other words that start with a vowel sound? Let's practice. When the next word starts with consonant sound A. A book. A book. A car. A car. A dog. A dog. A frog. A frog. A bag. A bag. A vase. A vase. A house. A house. A bird. A bird. A kite. A kite. When the next word starts with vowel sound an. An apple. An apple. An egg. An egg. An insect. An insect. An orange. An orange. An umbrella. An umbrella. An envelope. An envelope. An oven. An oven. An owl. An owl. An eye. An eye. An ant. An ant. That's all for today's word adventure. Keep exploring the magical world of language, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.